In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Microsoft Teams. To get started, open your Chrome browser and go to teams.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Microsoft Teams account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you've reached the main Teams workspace before moving on, because that's where you'll find the options needed to add someone to your contact list. Next, look over to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll need to click either the people icon or the chat icon, depending on the version of Teams you're using and how your layout appears. Microsoft sometimes updates the interface slightly, so don't worry if it looks a little different from what you expect. The important thing is to get into the area where your chats, contacts, or people-related options are displayed. Once you're in that section, find the three dots, also called the More Options menu, next to Chat or Contacts. Click on those three dots to open the menu. From the list of available actions, choose Add Contact. This will open the contact search or entry field where you can add the person you want to save. Now, in the bar that appears, type the person's email address or their name. Be as accurate as possible when entering the information so Teams can find the correct person. If you're typing a name, you may see matching results appear as you type. If there are multiple people with similar names, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one before continuing. After that, click the Add button. Teams will then save that person as a contact, making it easier to find them later for chats, calls, or collaboration. This is especially helpful if you communicate with the same people regularly and want quicker access without having to search for them each time. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact in Microsoft Teams. If the contact doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh or check that the name or email was entered correctly. Following these steps can help keep your team's workspace organized and make communication much faster.